In order to add your online marine textbook, first thing you need to do is go up to the left-hand corner and click on the plus sign. In the search bar, type BPS space MCG, and you see here you have BPS McGraw-Hill Science. Click that. And here, if you didn't already have it, you would say add. So you add the app that says BPS McGraw-Hill, and then you X out. And then you have that, and you would add it. And then when you open it up, it would say join class, and then you would put in the code 7X, 8X, CLZ8, 66, SQ, and then it would bring up this book. Sorry. It'd bring up a shark book, and underneath it, it says launch, and then that would add it to your ConnectEd McGraw-Hill. And then you're ready to go.